Hello everyone. Got a pair of sneakers here for you. They come in a white and gold Jordan box. Nice little gold ring right here. Pretty premium sneaker if you ask me. I know you know what the shoe is by the title and the sick thumbnail that you clicked on. Comes with a nice little white Jordan bag. White and gold Jordan bag. Pretty cool addition to the sneaker. Inside, we find the UnDS laced up Jordan 1 wings. These are the wings ones, laced up. Now that we have a little bit more light in the video, we can see how sick they look. I'm gonna get these up close and personal because I'm not sure people realize how fly these are. Just look at all that detail, that gold leather, all that distress right here. Pretty awesome little shoe. The bottoms say wings. That's definitely something that you should take notice of. As you can see, I don't know what this logo is called here, but there's a logo at the back made out of gold. I'm not sure if it's real gold. It's probably not at all real gold. We have here number 2,200 and something. We don't have 2,300 sadly, or number 23. That would be sick. It says Air Jordan right here. Pretty fly sneaker. Now I'm going to get the second one out here. I'm going to throw them on foot. Tell me what you think of them in the comment section below. I think these are one of my favorite Jordan 1s of all time. I know a lot of people have a tough time talking about that because this is not a retro Jordan 1, like this is not a classic colorway. So I'm sure many people will disagree with me about this, but I think they're the best Jordan 1s ever. Very strong statement, I know. As you can see on foot, there's not much to say. They're easily one of the flashiest Jordans ever. I strongly believe that they're flashier than those gold toes in the top threes that are gold. That's just normal gold. This is distressed. On foot, absolute fire. No one can deny how flashy these are. That's one of my favorite parts of the sneaker. I'm glad to have it here. Pretty sick sneaker. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.